What if the key to rewriting your health destiny isn't hidden in a lab, but waiting on the tip of your fork? Welcome to Live Well Insights, where we journey deep inside your body to uncover how a single bite of greens can trigger a cascade of life-changing biological reactions. The moment you chew cruciferous vegetables like broccoli or kale, you activate powerful compounds that don't even exist until you create them. Enzymes awaken. Genes respond. Detox pathways switch on. These plant chemicals help silence harmful genetic expressions, defend your DNA from daily damage, strengthen your gut microbiome, and ignite your body's internal antioxidant army. This is not nutrition theory, it's molecular transformation happening in real time. From cancer protection to metabolic balance and brain longevity, the science is profound and empowering. Once you understand how your food communicates with your cells, you'll never see vegetables as a side dish again. Let's unlock the power within. Welcome to a profound journey inside your body, where the food you eat dictates your destiny. This is Live Well Insights. For millions of years, human biology has evolved alongside the plant kingdom, relying on green leaves for essential survival mechanisms. We often view vegetables merely as a side dish, but they are actually complex chemical factories waiting to be activated. The journey of health begins not in the stomach, but right here in the mouth, with a simple mechanical action. Science reveals that the way you chew your food determines the amount of nutrients your body will actually receive today. There is a secret hidden within the cells of cruciferous vegetables, a compound that does not exist until you create it. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and cabbage contain the precursors for the most powerful anti-cancer medicine known to modern science. Inside these plants, the magic ingredients are kept separate in different cellular compartments, safe from reacting with each other prematurely. This is where the art of mastication becomes vital. Chewing breaks the cell walls and forces these two components to mix. When the enzyme myrosinase meets the glucosinolates, a chemical reaction occurs instantly, creating a new compound called isothiocyanates, or ITCs. Isothiocyanates are the miracle molecules responsible for the sharp, slightly bitter taste you experience when eating raw arugula or mustard greens. If you swallow your vegetables whole or rely solely on pills, you miss this crucial reaction and lose the benefits. The compound is not waiting for you in the vegetable. You must manufacture it in your mouth through rigorous chewing. Think of the enzyme myrosinase as the key that unlocks the pharmacy hidden within the fiber of every green leaf. However, this delicate enzyme is extremely sensitive to heat, and we often destroy it before it ever reaches our mouths. If you boil your broccoli or roast it at high temperatures for too long, you completely deactivate the myrosinase enzyme. Without the living enzyme, you are eating fiber and basic vitamins, but you are missing the potent anti-cancer weaponry. There is a clever hack to bypass this problem. Chop your vegetables 40 minutes before you plan to cook them. Chopping mimics chewing, allowing the reaction to happen on the cutting board, creating heat-stable ITCs before cooking begins. Alternatively, light steaming is far superior to boiling, as it preserves more of the cellular integrity and essential enzymes. If you must cook vegetables thoroughly, add a sprinkle of raw mustard powder afterwards to reintroduce the active enzyme. Beyond the mouth, these green vegetables play a critical role in the bustling metropolis of your gut microbiome ecosystem. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that rely entirely on the fiber from plants to survive and thrive. When you eat greens, you are not just feeding yourself, you are providing the essential raw materials for your internal army. A diverse diet of vegetables creates a diverse microbiome, which is the foundational pillar of a robust and responsive immune system. The combination of raw greens and fiber helps create a healthy biofilm, a protective layer lining your entire digestive tract. This biofilm acts as a mesh, slowing down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream and effectively reducing insulin spikes. By slowing absorption, greens help reverse insulin resistance, addressing the root cause of type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. To maximize this effect, combine your leafy greens with mushrooms and beans, creating a powerful synergy for gut barrier integrity. Now let us look deeper at how these plant compounds actively defend your body against the development of chronic diseases. Every day we are exposed to carcinogens from pollution, processed foods, and the environment that seek to damage our DNA. Isothiocyanates act as cellular detoxifiers, grabbing onto these harmful substances and escorting them out of the body before damage occurs. They also stimulate the production of antioxidant enzymes that protect your genetic code from mutating under oxidative stress. Tumors and fat cells rely on a process called angiogenesis, the rapid growth of new blood vessels, to feed themselves. Cruciferous compounds have been shown to inhibit angiogenesis, effectively cutting off the supply lines and starving abnormal cells to death. This same mechanism helps prevent the expansion of adipose tissue, making it a powerful ally in maintaining a healthy weight. Perhaps the most fascinating discovery is the concept of gene silencing, where food can actually turn off your bad genes. Research suggests that high intake of cruciferous vegetables can help silence genes associated with breast cancer and other malignancies. You are not a victim of your genetics. You have the power to influence how your genes express themselves daily. A massive study involving over 100,000 people in Asia revealed a striking correlation between diet and longevity. The data showed a linear relationship. The more cruciferous vegetables people ate, the lower their risk of dying from all causes. Unlike other foods, there was no upper limit found. The benefits continued to increase no matter how much they consumed. Those who consumed the highest amount of greens had significantly better protection against cardiovascular disease and cancer than low consumers. So how do we translate this science into your daily life for maximum protection and enhanced longevity starting today? Start by incorporating a large, raw salad into at least one meal every single day to guarantee enzyme intake. Practice mindful eating by chewing your greens until they are liquid, ensuring you unlock every bit of the medicine. Rotate your greens. Do not just eat spinach. Include spicy greens like arugula, radish, and watercress for higher ITC content. Prioritize fresh, organic produce whenever possible to avoid pesticides that might disrupt the very gut bacteria you are feeding. Make this a lifestyle for your whole family. Health is contagious, and good habits shared are easier to maintain. Remember the chain reaction. Chew well to activate enzymes. Feed your gut to build immunity and silence bad genes. Your body is designed to thrive, but it requires the right signals from the plant kingdom to function perfectly. The power to change your health destiny is literally on the end of your fork, 3 times a day. Treat your vegetables with the respect they deserve, not as a garnish, but as the main event for health. We hope this deep dive has changed the way you look at the humble broccoli and the leafy greens. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to Live Well Insights for more science-based health wisdom. Thank you for watching and investing time in your well-being. Go eat your greens, and we will see you soon. Let us take a moment to specifically honor sulforaphane, the most potent isothiocyanate found abundantly in broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts can contain up to 100 times more of the precursor glucoraphanin than the mature vegetable plant. This means a small handful of sprouts can provide the same cellular protection as eating kilograms of full-grown broccoli. Growing your own sprouts at home is an inexpensive and highly effective strategy to supercharge your daily nutrient intake. Sulforaphane activates the NRF2 pathway, which is like a master switch that turns on your body's antioxidant defense system. Unlike direct antioxidants like vitamin C, which last hours, the NRF2 effect can protect your cells for days. Emerging research also suggests these compounds can cross the blood-brain barrier, potentially protecting against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. By reducing inflammation in the brain, greens may help preserve your memory and cognitive sharpness well into your golden years. For those suffering from leaky gut, the indole compounds in cruciferous vegetables act like a sealant for the intestinal wall. Since 90% of serotonin is produced in the gut, a healthy, vegetable-fed microbiome directly translates to better mood. Eating greens is not just about physical health. It is a fundamental strategy for maintaining emotional balance and mental resilience. Some people worry about goitrogens in raw vegetables affecting the thyroid, but for most, the benefits far outweigh risks. If you have thyroid issues, simply steaming your cruciferous vegetables reduces goitrogenic activity while maintaining their nutritional integrity. Remember that vitamins A, E, and K found in greens are fat-soluble, so never eat your salad completely dry. Always pair your vegetables with healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, or nuts to ensure maximum absorption of vitamins. The antioxidants in greens also protect your skin from UV damage and promote collagen production for a youthful complexion. Blending greens into smoothies is another option, but be careful not to destroy the fiber structure too much. Smoothies retain the fiber that juices remove, helping to buffer the sugar absorption from any fruit you might add. While greens are critical, diversity is key. Aim to eat the rainbow, but let green be the dominant color. Fermented cruciferous vegetables like kimchi and sauerkraut offer a double benefit: the prebiotics of fiber and live probiotics. Fermentation pre-digests the vegetables for you, often making the nutrients more bioavailable and easier for your gut to absorb. I challenge you to try increasing your green intake for just 7 days and observe the difference in your energy. You will likely notice improved digestion, clearer thinking, and a steady supply of energy that lasts throughout the day. It is never too early to start. Palates can be trained, and introducing greens early sets up a lifetime of health. Learn to love the bitter taste. That bitterness is the literal flavor of the medicine working inside your body. Your taste buds regenerate every 2 weeks. If you persist, you will actually start to crave these healthy foods. Processed foods dull your palate and starve your microbiome. The more greens you eat, the less you will want junk. Cruciferous vegetables are also the best friends of your liver, aiding specifically in phase 2 detoxification pathways. They help the liver safely package and remove excess hormones like estrogen, reducing the risk of hormone-sensitive cancers. For women approaching menopause, this hormonal regulation can be a game-changer for symptom management and overall comfort. For men, the same compounds have been extensively studied for their ability to protect prostate health and function. Beyond personal health, choosing a plant-forward diet is one of the most impactful ways to support environmental sustainability. When we reconnect with real food, we reconnect with the earth and the natural cycles that sustain all life. Eating greens is the most cost-effective health insurance policy you can buy, with dividends paid in extra years of life. Fuel your body with high-octane plant nutrition, and it will reward you with performance, endurance, and faster recovery. Green leafy vegetables are also rich in nitrates, which your body converts to nitric oxide to improve blood flow. This natural vasodilation helps lower blood pressure and reduces the strain on your heart, promoting cardiovascular longevity. Spinach, arugula, and beets are particularly high in these nitrates, making them excellent foods for heart health and athletes. Avoid antiseptic mouthwash, as it kills the oral bacteria needed to convert these nitrates into the active nitric oxide. You can see how everything is connected, from the bacteria in your mouth to the DNA deep inside your cells. Do not feel overwhelmed by the science. Just focus on adding 1 more serving of greens than you did yesterday. Make it delicious. Roast them, season them, use herbs and spices. Healthy food should be a joy, not a punishment. At Live Well Insights, we believe that knowledge is the first step, but action is what creates true transformation. Share this knowledge with someone you love. You might just inspire them to make a life-saving change in their diet. We are not separate from nature. We are biologically dependent on the plant kingdom for our survival and our thriving. Never forget the power of isothiocyanates to detoxify, protect, and defend your body against the modern world's threats. Keep your gut garden flourishing with fiber, and it will reward you with immunity, mental clarity, and metabolic health. Invest in your future self. The data is clear. More greens equal a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. As we conclude this journey, take a moment to appreciate the incredible complexity and wisdom of your own body. Listen to your body, feed it well, treat it with respect, and it will carry you through life with strength. We are honored to be a part of your health journey. Thank you for trusting us with your time today. If you enjoyed this, check out our other videos on intermittent fasting and sleep science to further optimize your health. We want to hear from you. Which green vegetable will you add to your plate today? Let us know below. This has been a production of Live Well Insights, dedicated to bringing you the cutting edge of nutritional science. All claims in this video are backed by scientific research. You can find the references in the description box below. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep nourishing your body. Until next time, live well and thrive. Goodbye.